What are the signs of having negative energies around you? First is constant yawning. Second is darkness around the eye. Third is on and off having headaches. And fourthly, having random bruises around your body. Hi there. If you have been feeling negative and told down by situations, and if you feel heavy, negative, evil energies on you, you can book yourself this beautiful pendant of an evil eye. This is an enchanted pendant and it comes from natural resourcing. You can book it for yourself by DMing on my page and I will give you an enchanted pendant for yourself. A glass of water when kept beside your bed every night can bring to you a lot of positivity. It can also take away all negative thoughts and negative feelings that rotate in your head during the night. And this can also bring a very good new beginning for the next morning. All you have to do is in the morning you have to discard this glass of water after keeping it overnight on your bedside. Your dreams indicate a lot of negativity around and inside you. If you dream of a dog or an animal biting you, if you dream of committing a crime, if you dream that somebody is angry with you, if you're dreaming about some gossips or some issues in your life, just beware because there is a lot of negativity around you in that case. How do we know if there is a black energy or a negative energy inside your house? If there is a lot of smell, as soon as you enter the place, you feel there's a bad smell. And even if you use a lot of perfume, the smell does not go away. If there are water leakages, if there are fights, quarrels, and lack of peace in the house for no reason, and if there is moisture, humidity, specifically on the walls of the house, these are the signs of having such negative energies on the people who are living in the house or on the house. If you're having negative energy in your house, these are the things that you should just get rid of immediately. Number one is a cactus plant, any thorny plant if you have in your house. Secondly, a rocking chair. If you have a rocking chair, just get rid of it immediately. If you have any kind of broken or stopped watches or clocks around you, you just have to remove them from your house. Any dried floral decoration or any dried flowers in your house are also very, very harmful for the energy. If you have got a lot of quarrels, lot of negativity and a lot of fights in your house, this is just one thing that you should do in order to substitute everything with happiness. One thing is just locate the middle of the house. The middle of the house is called the Brahmastan. Just see if there is anything negative over there, if there is any negative substance over there, if there is anything which is negative, you should just remove it. Try to keep it empty. Don't try to put any heavy substances in the middle of the house specifically. If there are repeated quarrels, repeated negativity in the house, just take 2 camphors in a diya and burn in the middle of the house. If you do that for consecutive 3 days, you will see all the negativity will vanish off this.
घर में बहुत नेगेटिविटी हो गई है और आप बहुत नकारात्मक हो रहे हैं, तो ऐसे एक आप काजल लीजिए और इसको आप किसी भी पेड़ में, पौधे में, किसी भी ऐसी जगह पर जहाँ पर मिट्टी हो गाड़ दीजिए. इसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि नेगेटिविटी कम हो जाएगी और पॉजिटिविटी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी.
बाहों पे राहों पनाहों पे राहों पे बाहों पे साहों सलाहों पे मेरे इश्क
in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't.
क्यों दिया दर्द हम
You were the shadow to my light. Did you
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता मेरा दिल तू ही रब है तू ही मेरा साहिल तेरा मेरा मिलना दस्तूर है तेरे होने से मुझ में नूर है मैं हूँ सोना सा एक आसमां में.
What are the signs of having an evil eye on you? If you are feeling lazy all day, if you're feeling sleepy, if you've lost appetite, if you're losing weight, also if you have fear and disturbed dreams, these are the signs that you should check upon yourself. कैसे पता करें कि आपको नजर लग गई है या नहीं? अगर आपके ऊपर कोई बुरी नजर का साया है तो आपके बाल ज्यादा झड़ने शुरू होंगे, आपको बहुत लेजी फील होगा, आपका काम करने का मन नहीं करेगा, आपको नींद आती रहेगी, आपको पूरे टाइम जमाई आती रहेगी. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको पूरे टाइम हैवी लगता रहेगा, आपको ऐसा मन करेगा कि मैं रो लूं, बार बार रोने का मन करेगा, इसका ये क्लियर इंडिकेशन होते हैं कि आपको किसी की भयंकर नजर लगी है. How do we protect our homes from evil eye or bad energies that enter? First of all, you can keep a peacock feather or a nail or a knife on the entrance of your house so that the bad energies cannot enter. Secondly, sprinkling Ganga Jal or holy water inside the house can also lead to positive attributes and remove negativity out of your house. Thirdly, keeping a Rahu Yantra in your temple can also alleviate the negative energies. And lastly, mix some mustard seeds and salt and sprinkle them around the house. That can also make you have rid of those negative energies that are in your house.